Good morning, students. I hope that you are all fine. In this video, I am going to explain some of the important concept of chapter data file handling. So let's move toward the first concept we are going to discuss in this video. File modes in Python. Dear student, when Python opens a file, it needs to know the file mode in which the file is being opened. File mode describes how a file is to be used, to read from it, to write it, to append it, and so on. So, dear student, file mode describes how a file is to be used, to read from it, to write it, to append it, and so on. Types of file modes in Python. The following are different methods oblique modes for opening a file in Python. W. W stands for write mode. It opens a file for writing, creates the file if it does not exist. So, dear student, W stands for write mode. It opens a file for writing, creates the file if it does not exist. R. R stands for read mode. It opens a file for reading, returns error if the file does not exist. This is the default mode in which a file is open in Python. So, dear student, read is the default mode in which a file is open in Python. A. A stands for append mode. Opens a file pending, creates the file if it does not exist. So, dear student, appends modes opens a file for appending. It creates the file if it does not exist. The data in the file is retained and new data being written will be appended to the end. So, dear student, when we use append mode, the data in the file is retained and new data being written will be appended to the end. In addition, we can specify if the file should be handled as binary or text mode. T stands for text mode, B stands for binary mode. To open a text file for reading, it is enough to specify the name of the file. F equal to open story.txt. The above code is the same as F equal to open story.txt, comma R double quote में RT, because read and T for text are the default values. We don't need to specify them. So, dear student, by default, a file is open in read mode and the file will be text file. So, if we don't specify any mode, the file will be text file and file will be open in read mode. This is a chart showing all types of file modes available in Python. Text file mode R, binary file mode RB, stand for read mode. File must exist already, otherwise Python raise input output error. So, dear student, if we use file mode R, the R denotes for read mode and RB stand for read mode in binary file. In such case, file must exist already, otherwise Python raises input output error. W stand for write mode and WB stand for write binary. So, write mode. So, W stand for write mode. If the file does not exist, file is created. If the file exists, Python will truncate existing data and overwrite in the file. So, this mode must be used with caution. A stand for append mode. And if we want to append data in binary file, we use mode AB. File is in write only mode. If the file exists, the data in the file is retained and new data being written will be appended to the end. If the file does not exist, Python will create a new file. R plus or R plus B, read and write. File must exist, otherwise error is raised. both reading and writing operation can take place. W plus or W plus B, write and read. File is created if does not exist. If the file exists, file is truncated, past data is lost. Both reading and writing operation can take place. A plus B or AB plus. This is called write and read mode. File is created if it does not exist. If the file exists, file existing data is retained, new data is appended. Both reading and writing operation can take place. So these are the different types of file modes we use in Python. I hope that you understand the concept of different types of file modes in Python. Thank you. Have a nice day.